So you enter from here and you'll be out somewhere there. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can be making on just one position more than 100 USD. On this strategy, I made about 116 on each and every position using this strategy. So this strategy is helpful. Trust me, it's really, really helpful. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can set this strategy up on your MT5, be it on your laptop, be it on your phone, and make money and raise that small account. It can be 5 USD, it can be a small amount of money to something that is profitable, or something that is at least big for you to actually trade in the financial market. So that's a thing. So it has three indicators. So we have the alligator as the first indicator, and we have the stochastic oscillator as the second one, and we have the awesome oscillator. So these are the three indicators that I'm going to walk you through on how you can actually set them so that you can have something that is looking like this. So I hope this one will be helpful for you. So I'm just going to quickly delete them so that I can start with you and walk you through on how you set it up. So this is our plain and blank chart. Yes, this is our plain and blank chart. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can actually go about it. So this is a live market right now. Yeah, so that's the thing. So what we're going to do is to come on F there, on the F there, where we're going to see indicators, and we're going to open the main window, and we are going to put our first indicator, which is the alligator. So we come directly here, you'll find it there on Bill Williams alligator. So the alligator will have the following properties. The jaw period will have 10, the teeth period will be 8, the lips period will be 8, the jaws shift will be 3, the tooth shift will be 2, the lips shift will be 2, and the method will be smoothed and applied to medium price HL2. And visualization, it will be on all time frames. And here, very important, on the star, for the jaws, we're going to put the same background as the same color as our background. So if you're using a black one, put black one. If you're using a white one like me, put a white one. But I would advise that you change it to a white one, just like me, so that you cannot be confused with the colors. And when it comes to the teeth, do the same thing, put it as your background. And when it comes to your lips, ensure that you put it black. Yes, so it can be visible. If you have a black background, ensure you put it to be white. I hope I'm clear regarding that. And you click on done, and you have something like this. You have a line like that. So that's a thing. I don't know for you people that have not yet joined our Telegram channel, because in our Telegram channel, we actually give out free signals. We don't charge for signals. I don't see it to why people should charge signals. So personally, we make money in the financial market. Why should we charge for signals? So I personally post each and every signal that I trade to everybody, and we enter the market at the same time. And the biggest problem and a challenge which I've come to understand is not necessarily that traders, they don't know how to trade or how to execute trades in the financial market. The biggest problem that I've found is that a lot of people have no capital to actually trade in the financial market. That's the main reason I come up with these interesting videos each and every time that can help you raise that small amount of money, so that at least you can have a substantial amount of money and enter long trades. For example, in my channel, we actually post long trades, so at least if you scalp and get some good capital from the financial market, you can start with the 10 USD, scalp using one of these methods, and at least get something that is substantial and start trading with us. So just join it. The link is in the description, and check out the description box. It has so many interesting things that can help you in your trading career. Just check it out. Trust me, you'll be glad you did that. So let's go back to the second indicator that we're going to put here we come on the main window again, we click there, and the second indicator that we're going to put is the stochastic oscillator, and it will have the following properties: the K period of 1, the D period of 1, the slowing of 1, the price field of low to high. The method will be exponential, and the levels will be 20 and 80. So just make sure that you put a buy and a sell in terms of the levels there, and the star should be black. And here, when it comes to the main star, it will have the same background as the same color as your background. So if it's black, you put black. If it's white, you put white. Same applies with the signal. It will have the same color as your background. If it's white, you put white. If it's black, you put black, and click OK, and you have something like that showing there. You have something like that showing down here to be plain and all that. And before we go to the third indicator, I don't know what it will take from you guys to just hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every day I post an interesting video like this, and also ensure that you like the video so that it can reach out to as many people as it can reach out to, so that I think to take nothing from you. So we click there on the F, and we come on indicator window 1. We click on indicator window 1, and we come on the awesome oscillator. And the awesome oscillator will have default settings, which simply means just put the same colors with your candlesticks, if at all your candlesticks are not on default. So mine is on default in terms of I have a green and red, because I have candles in the bullish that are green and bearish candles are red. But if at all you have different candle colors, ensure that you put exactly the value up should be exactly the same color as your bullish candles, and your value down should be exactly the same colors as your bearish candlesticks. And you click on done there. I hope you're able to see that. So the most important thing that you should now get to understand, guys, one is the market trend. That's the main reason to why we have this black line here. It's showing us the market trend, guys. The market trend, which is the most important thing, the market trend. And we are trading this using a 30 minutes, which simply means, in as much as we are calling it to be a scalping method, it is a long trade. Because just imagine you enter from there and you come out from there. It's a long trade, guys. It's a long trade, because you'll be in the market for quite a long period of time. And that's the main reason why just one position, it was giving me about 116 USD, because I entered with a lot size of 1. Just starting from here up to there, it's a long journey and long time, and it doesn't matter whether it's against the spikes or with the spikes. But one thing that I want you to get to understand is this, how it's working. So the moment you see your indicator here hitting your buy, hitting your sell sign here, what you have to do is to come there and just get to do that. It will help you to get to understand that the moment you see this happening, you see a green there, a green and the red one. The moment you see these green ones touching your sell, you also see the red ones appearing. You need to ensure and know to say that here what you're looking for is a buy or a sell signal, but that sell signal is coming based on the fact that it should have a top bottom that should be formed on the main chart. So this will show us the top bottom that will be formed on the main chart. The moment you see green and red, you should ensure that you check out if at all on this particular position, do we have any top do you have any top signal that is being formed? And when it comes to the other way around, we should ensure that do we have any double bottom that is being formed or double top that is being formed on the upper part of your graph. So if you come here, for example, if you come here, you should be able to see something like that happening. And if you zoom that, it will show you that there is a top bottom that was formed somewhere there. If you go on lower time frames, it will even be more clear. It will even be more clear to say that here there was a top bottom that was formed. You have seen that, right? Have you seen that, right? And if you come here on your chart, you'll be able to see that top bottom there, or depending on the time frame that you're using, you'll be able to see that top bottom there being formed. So if you see that top bottom being formed, the next thing that you have to start waiting for is when the market changes direction. So which simply means the moment you see this confirmation of the top bottom being formed here, at first you'll be in your 30 minutes time frame. You'll be in your 30 minutes time frame. You'll be in your 30 minutes time frame, and you'll be spotting this sharp volume happening down here. If you see a green, then you see red, and this is happening when it comes to in your sell or buy zones. So important in your sell or buy zones. So the moment you see this happening, same applies here. If you can see here, it has happened. I will come down here so that I can show you what is happening here. So up there it happened. We saw the green and the red. High volumes are happening here. What you need to check out here on this position, you need to check out if on the main chart you have a similar thing that is happening here. Do you have a confirmation of the top bottom that is happening here? So the moment you see this, the only thing that you have to wait for is for the market to change direction and the market to close this black line. The moment it closes the black line, guys, you are home and dry. You enter from there, and you are only going to come out of the market if you see the market goes down until it reaches this specific zone. And on this specific zone, you should be able to see that the red ones have turned into blue. I hope I'm clear regarding that. The red ones have turned into blue. But your first take profit will be on your 50%, and your last take profit will be on your buy zone. Same applies when it comes to here down here. You need, the moment you see this happening down here, you need to come on your main chart and you need to see if at all there is any form of a double bottom that is happening. So the moment you see that, guys, the moment you see that, you will need to enter the market after this. For example, when it came to this, I want you to get this. When it came to this, we went all the way up to there, right? And we had this double bottom. Let me just do this. We click there. Okay. So we are not entering the market when we see this is just there. No, we are entering the market at this particular time, at this particular moment. But we are only entering the market here based on the fact that we have seen a confirmation of a double bottom, double top that has happened here. There is a double top that has happened there. The moment this double top finishes, the market moved, and we saw that the market dropped down there and the black line was up there, and we entered from there and we started moving. And the moment we see the market shoots, you see, right? the market shoots there, it closes that black line. We are not entering here because we have not seen a double bottom being formed. But if you can see there, the market had to come again and make a double bottom, which is our first confirmation to say, okay, we are going to enter. But we are only entering the market after we do what? After we see that the market closed this position. And trust me, when this was happening, the market, check out, when this was happening here, when this closing was happening, the market was not in this zone. The market was already there. That's the main reason why we can't enter this trade, in the sense that the market has already reached our take profit. So we are only entering the market if we see a rapid movement in the market by high volume in the downtrend here that we are seeing here. So we are only entering the market after we see that this has happened, and we have seen this happening, which is the closing of this line, but the market is still up somewhere here, and we ride with the market from here up to our take profit. So if it so happened that the market just dropped so rapidly, you'll find that if the market drops so rapidly, you find that these ones will move so rapidly, just like in this case, the market here, it just moved so rapidly, it closed that line. We were not supposed to enter because we don't have any double bottom that is happening here. If you can see there, we didn't have any double bottom to confirm that. So we would have just watched this market, in the sense that, so this rapid movement made this market to actually close at 50%, and we are not supposed to enter that way. We are only entering if at all the market is still near this zone, because our 50% is our target profit. I hope I'm clear regarding that. Let's just quickly take a look maybe on others. Okay, so for example, let's consider now where the market is. The market is actually doing what? The market is actually moving right now. So for example, here it so happened, you see, right? It so happened here that we had the red ones and the green ones here, and it so happened that it confirmed this. Are you seeing that, right? We saw the market moving that way. It came that it made a double bottom, and here we saw the market closing, and we are seeing this happening. The moment it happened, we entered from here, and we are going with the market right now. We can go with the market up to way up to there, and if you can see, the market is still showing green all the way. So we are only coming out of the market the moment it shows red. After entering, the moment it shows red, we are out of the market. So right now, if you entered from here, you're riding with the market. The moment you see the red volumes starting being formed, you are out of the market. I hope this strategy is clear to you people. I hope so. If you have any questions, ensure that you actually inbox me. Same applies here. We are seeing that happening here. We are seeing a double top happening here. There, if you can see the red line, there's a double top, and the market moved there. We enter from here. If you can see there, we enter. It's red. We are entering until we see the blue one appearing. So we'll enter the market here. We'll go with the market until we see a blue appearing volume here. That's when we change. That's when we are out of the market. Or we can take profit on 50%, which is somewhere there. Or we just ride with the market until we see a blue one, that is it. So the moment you just enter, guys, you're only going to make the market until you see a change in terms of volume. If it was red, if you are selling, if it's a red, until it's blue. If you're buying, until it's red. So right now, you can still be in the market until you see the red, guys. Until you see red, you still be milking the market until you see red, guys. So that's how the strategy is working. I hope this strategy was clear to you, and if you have any question, please comment down so that I can actually help and see how well I can help you with this strategy, but it's one of the most powerful strategies. And thank you so much for watching. Love you so much. The master trader himself here.